Hi, it's Cass. I've had people ask, well, I've had like 2 people asking me to do a makeup tutorial, so I figure, yeah, why not? Now, I need to add, you could use the exact same products as me, the exact same brushes, the exact same technique and everything. It's not gonna look the same on you. It's just not, because you don't have the same skin as me, you don't have the same face shape as me. Like, I just need to say that it could probably look pretty similar, but you're not gonna look the exact same. So, right. To start off with skincare, what I do is I use this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Balm. You can't really see that. Wow, the lighting's really bad. Basically, you just massage it into dry skin, and after you wash it off with warm water. Then I use a mix of a Revolution. Jesus Christ, I'm sorry about the lighting. Nope, hang on. There we go. Hyaluronic acid. And it's actually not bad. And a Revolution Pro priming oil that I haven't used with makeup yet, but today. And after all that, I set them with this, which is the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. It is a really, really good moisturizer. I very much recommend it. Okay, so not really sure what I want to do today, but we're just gonna get into it and see what happens. So now I'm gonna be using the Morphe 35F palette, which is, you know, I figure I can do something with that. I want to do something maybe kind of like with a red in it. And I just use like concealer. It doesn't really matter to me what concealer it is, as long as it, you know, does it. So I just put a bit of that on my eyes. Just any damp beauty blender. You can set that with any kind of powder. Right now I'm going to use Dermablend. So first I'm just going to go in with this one. For this I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush. Just a fluffy brush. It's pretty good. It's pretty soft. It's close enough. After that I'm going to use this. So now I'm going into the Back to Brazil palette by BH. I'm going to use this red. So now I'm going to go into the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. I may need to use like a spray to help with picking up the product more. Sometimes you need to do that with, I'm going with this one. Sometimes you need that with shimmery shadows, but Juvia's Place is usually really good for that. Like, that looks fine. After that, I'm gonna darken the crease a bit with this one. It is, again, Estee Lauder. The shade is Cheeky Pink. It is really pretty, actually. It's really pretty. And I haven't used it yet, so pretty. I'm gonna put this on the inner corner of my eye. I'm just gonna use the tiny applicator that came with it. So for eyeliner, I've been using Elf. Really cheap, but like really good. I would absolutely recommend it. You just gotta try. It's really hard to, like, I've been really like into makeup for the past like 4 years, and I still fuck up on like a daily basis whenever I do it, so don't worry if you think you're bad at it, it's common. So mascara, I've literally just been using Essence Extreme. I just got it in pennies because it was like 150 and I was out of whatever. Now to prime my face, again I'm going in with that Revolution priming oil. I haven't used it yet under makeup. I've literally got it like 2 days ago, and I've just been mixing it with the other serum to use to moisturize, and it's actually been really good. It's got a lot of different flower oils. Like, off the top of my head I can just tell you it uses lavender oil, but I can't remember any others, so let me just... So for foundation, I use the BH liquid foundation because I have really dry skin and it's actually not terrible. Of course the colour is still a bit off. I mix it with Manic Panic Dream Tone. I just put it on my hand and mix it because with the back of a brush, because yeah. See, that actually looks fine. After this, usually what I do is contour. If I want a warmer contour, I use the ABH cream contour, which is actually fantastic. And if I want something more cool toned, I use the Colourpop sculpting sticks in Dove. They are discontinued though, so. And also, while I was down there, I found a Urban Decay eyeliner that I will add in a moment. Once I have my face set, I'm gonna add that. But this is a very cool toned contour. And for that, I just use Real Techniques contour brush. So for setting my face, I'm gonna go back in with that Derm Blend powder and a BH V2 brush. Very fluffy. Blacked out ass, acting not so nice. Wishing for a dick and jack on ice. I don't feel like I don't want to use concealer today. now I'm going to use the Morphe Stellar Impact 8S highlighter palette, which is fucking gorgeous. Look at that. She's fucking gorgeous. Oh my god. And I'm using this Morphe Y14 brush. I'm going to use ultraviolet. So I was going to go over the contour a little bit with this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Bon Voyage. Just with a flat top brush. It's just some generic brush, it doesn't even have a brand. So for eyebrows, I do the basic outline with the ColourPop brow pencil in black brown. They're really, really good. I wouldn't buy ColourPop anymore because of the racism, but these are products that I've had. I bought like quite a while ago, so it's really difficult since I shaved off my eyebrows. I'm not used to drawing them on fully yet. It's okay if it looks a little bit bad, because I'm going to fix it in a minute anyway. Hopefully. My eyebrows are never even, and I don't even bother trying, because I would literally be here for hours, and it's just not worth the pain. Well, pain. It's just not worth the hassle. So I'm using an e.l.f. small angled brush just to fix. See, they're uneven, but it looks fine. If I was doing a more bold look, I would then go over it with ColourPop brow pomade in black and brown as well, but today it's fine. I'm just gonna powder it. See, now they look fine. Back to the mini masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and we're just gonna take Cairo and a small brush if I can find one. A NYX lip lingerie in Delicate Lust. It's kind of like a greige, or just like, you know, grey and beige. Never used it before. Oh fuck, I'm digging this. Shit, I'm so happy with this. Oh my god. So I'm gonna get dressed, and I'm sure you'll see selfies of this on Tumblr. Thanks for watching. Bye!